Bullish 1 cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $2.39 and $4.52 by 2030. Market experts accept 1 could reach $1.86 by 2025. Bearish 1 market cost expectation for 2023 is 42 cents. 1 presentation. DEXs are decentralized trades. They are the stages or trades where cryptographic money exchanging happens without the inclusion of an outsider. As such, no monetary foundation or organization is engaged with the activity of a decentralized trade. Members exchange on decentralized stages without segregation and must just interface their computerized wallets to effectively exchange. DEXs don't give anybody admittance to their clients' resources or individual data, so individuals exchange with their assets in their grasp, as it were. Many trades have set costs for digital currencies that fluctuate from one trade to another, and merchants attempt to purchase the coins at the most minimal value conceivable to augment benefit. This digital money guide will show you all that there is to be familiar with the 1 organization and its highlights. Regardless, we will keep on zeroing in on the 1 organization cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the 1 organization? This organization has made exchanging more helpful. It breaks down all DEXs and tracks down the one with the most minimal cost to propose to its clients for them to get the best cost. The essential objective of this 1 organization is to give better value choices to its clients while keeping up with resource liquidity and security. 1 organization biological system. This 1 organization is comprised of 3 conventions that guarantee its smooth activity and offer types of assistance to its members. 1 collection convention. This convention's motivation is to decide the best way for its clients. There are various liquidity trades in the computerized market that help different digital currencies on their foundation, each with its own arrangement of costs. Some deal a greater cost for a coin, while others offer a similar coin at a lower cost. This convention dissects the costs on these trades and prescribes to its clients the trade with the least cost in contrast with different stages. Clients can exchange for a minimal price thus. 1 liquidity convention. The convention handles all errands connected with security and well-being. This convention safeguards members from different dangers that they might experience while exchanging. It additionally gives impetuses to its clients. 1 breaking point request convention. This convention is the most as of late refreshed of the 3. Its administrations limit clients' organization trade open doors in decentralized finance. Different elements of this convention incorporate unique evaluating and restrictive orders. This convention additionally upholds custom executions, for example, stop misfortune and following stop orders. 1 wallet. This wallet empowers exchanging on an assortment of trade stages. Clients store their resources in the computerized wallet and associate it to the 1 organization to start exchanging without giving over control of their resources for anybody. This 1 wallet is an easy-to-use versatile stage that safeguards the resources of the clients. It additionally works on the members' exchange and marking abilities. 1 coin outline. The 1 organization's ticker image is 1 It gives capacity to the 1 organization and empowers clients to take an interest. These tokens offer their clients motivating forces as well as liquidity mining programs, which has expanded their interest. Moreover, the coin permits clients to exchange coins at the most ideal costs that anyone could hope to find. Besides, holders of 1 coins reserve the option to decide on future coin-related proposition. Many trade stages, including Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Worldwide, FTX, OKEX, Kraken, and KuCoin, support the exchanging of 1 organization coins. Despite the fact that Coinbase permits the sending and getting of 1 tokens, exchanging through advanced wallets isn't upheld. The 1 organization token is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain and requires 14 organization affirmations before an exchange can be finished. The most extreme withdrawal sum for 1 is 31,251 with a base cost of 3.331 coins. 1 is presently worth 53 cents USD. 1 has moved 5.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $63,583,266. 1 is presently positioned 87 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $423,474,129 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant 1 market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. 1 value forecast 2023. 1 from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The 1 cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 79 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. averaging 74 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. 1NCH is supposed to have a base worth of 63 cents. 1NCH value forecast 2024. In 2024, 1NCH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of 1NCH will before long outperform $1.33. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the 1NCH's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, 1NCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.06 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.17. 1NCH value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.86 and 1NCH may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. 1NCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.70 and a low of $1.59 in 2025. 1NCH value forecast 2026. If 1NCH effectively helps market opinion among digital money devotees, the 1NCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, 1NCH will be green in 2026. The 1NCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $2.39, with a base cost of $2.12 and a typical cost of $2.23. 1NCH value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the 1NCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.76 by 2027, with a base cost of $2.66 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, 1NCH has a greatest value worth of $2.92. 1NCH value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.29. On the off chance that 1NCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $3.45. Neglecting to assemble the help 1NCH necessities by 2028 could bring about a low of $3.19. 1NCH value forecast 2029. While 1NCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $3.72 and a yearly cost close above $3.98 in 2029. 1NCH value expectation 2030. By 2030, 1NCH will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $4.25 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value